All right, hi everyone. Here is a viewer request to do the pattern called Starfish Too. Starfish 2 looks like this. Let me turn off my lights or you won't be able to see a thing. Hang on a second. Turn these off. Turn that one off. There we go. Starfish 2 looks like this. We'll zoom in. In the middle, you're going to put a little circle. You're going to make 6 arms, 3 longer ones, 3 shorter ones in between. Different lengths works great. Then on those arms, you're going to make them into long, skinny triangles. Either direction, doesn't really matter which direction you go. See, some of them are going to the left, some of them are going to the right, doesn't matter. Okay. Then on the short arms, you're going to continue making like when we do feathering, but with that angle, and fill that in. Okay. Then you do the long arms, so they will wrap around behind the shorter arms. And then in the space that's left here, we're going to make a big triangle with the base kind of toward the bottom. Okay, so we have a bigger triangle here and a triangle there. See, right there. Right there, and then they do an aura around it. Then you can put a pattern in there, or you could just fill it in, whatever you feel like doing. Let's give that a go, shall we? Turn my lights back on. Mind your eyes. That can be a little shocking. Zoom out. I've got a nice big piece of paper today. Let's do it with, what size pen do I want to draw with? An 01, an 01. So we're going to do a nice circle in the middle, and then we're going to do some arms. We're going to do one there, and one here. I want to make that one longer. I'm going to do a really long arm. Then we're going to do one shorter one here, shorter one there, shorter one there. Then we're going to do the long skinny triangles. That. Doesn't matter which direction we take our spirals. No, they can go either direction. Okay, so this spiral is going to go this way. Like that. And do this one this way too. Till we run out of room. And then we're going to do this one the other way. Why? Because we can. Because it'll make it interesting. Change the dynamic a little bit by having them go different directions. Okay. Then this one gonna go this way. that. And then this one, I think we're going to make it go this direction, I think. Okay, I'll leave that so that I have a triangle for there. And then this one, I think is going to go also this way or this way. I think this way. Like that. And then we do a triangle like that. This one's going to have a triangle like that. This one's going to have one that comes this way. This one's going to have one that goes this way. I think this one should go that way maybe. And then this one can come this way. Something like that. I'm going to fill in those dark bits. Let's get a wider pen. I'm just going to fill this part in. I think that would look good. Ooh, it's getting hot. Drawing in the summer is a challenge sometimes. I have to get up really early and come out here early. And by like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning, I have to be done. Because it is too hot to be out here. I know I've done this pattern before, but I mean, it looks familiar, but I don't remember. It must have been a really long time ago. I'm enjoying this. Okay, and then we're going to do a little shading down this way on each of these like fins. And then of course where they overlap, that's going to get quite a bit of shading. That. them all with a bit of that. So let's use a skinny stump and blend that out. Look at the difference between where it's not blended and where it's blended. The blending makes all the difference when you're doing a shadow. And then if you come back with a highlight, that makes even more difference. Okay, and then I think I'm going to put a shadow on this ball like that. Like that. And then I'm going to use a white pencil, not a water brush pencil. Prismacolor. Prismacolor's good. Put a highlight on that. And I'm going to highlight that edge. That. Then I think I'm going to go ahead and highlight this edge. Like that. Because that'll give it even more dimension than it had before. Okay, I think that's done. Can you see that? Looks good. All right. Starfish 2 is coming your way. If you are the one who suggested this video, let you know that thank you. You put your name in for the giveaway and you made a suggestion. And those who made a suggestion are going to get the one that I draw for you. Plus others, but that one is coming your way. I don't remember who it was who suggested it, but it's coming your way. And by the time this video comes out, you will probably already have it. Let me write down what day it's going to come out. It's going to come out on August 19th. So be on the lookout for that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.